Welcome guys to Tech Explorer 01, and in today's video I will be introducing you to a way in which you can be able to remove photo backgrounds, a way in which you can be able to remove image background. And how do you go about it? I have a prepared image here, and as you can see, this is an image, and in the background we have we have the window panes, we have the roof. So we'll be taking out all these background. And how do you go about it? So all you need to do, actually this method works for both Android and PC. Either you are using your PC or you are using your Android phone, on not just Android phone but any mobile phone or a desktop, it still works. So but first you need to be connected to the internet. As you can see, I'm connected to the internet because we'll be using a website to remove the background. And how do you go about it? So just open your browser, regardless of the browser you are using, all the browser will work. So either you are using Chrome or you are using Brave or whichever the browser that you have, it will still work. So what you need to do, you need to click the link in my video description. It's a certain website that we call background remover. You can just go to the website and search for background remover. Click the first option, then it will bring you direct to this website. Or you can just click the link in my video description. So what we'll do here, we'll upload the image onto this website. You just need to click this button here, upload. Then from there you need to select the image that you want to remove the background and upload. Then give your system a few minutes to complete uploading the image onto this website. Then as soon as the image is uploaded onto this website, the background will automatically be removed. As you can see, the background has been removed. So all you need to do is just click this download button. So just click download and the image will be downloaded either onto your PC or onto your mobile phone. Then from there we can go to we can open that image and see how it looks like. But for a clear view, I'm going to place the two images side by side on a Photoshop whiteboard. So I'll just click here, file. I'm just doing this so that you can get a clear picture of what I'm talking about. So let me first of all, I'll start by placing the first image before removing the background. It is just right here. I will place them side by side. And this is the image. Then from there I will take now the other image and place, and now after removing the background, and place it side by side with the original image. And it is just right here. This is the final image after removing the background. And as you can see, let me try to position these two images and try to enlarge this one. As you can see, I have this was the original image and this is the final image. And as you can see, after removing after removing the background, the final image is very amazing. And when you place that image onto a white platform, that is where you can be able to see the best results. And if you can compare the two images, this was our initial image and now this is our photo image. So you don't have to struggle by using Photoshop. For example, this is a drag tool, trying to cut out now the image background. So you don't have to struggle using Photoshop to know how to be able to remove those background, because you can just remove those background. You can be able to remove any image background just by the click of the button. So you just need to go to that website, upload that image. Then after the BG has already been removed, you just click the download button and the image will be directly downloaded into your PC. And then from there you can use now that image for whichever purpose. And that is how simply you can be able to remove photo background in 2022. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all we had for today. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.